This is a viewer request, and unless I'm misinterpreting what they wrote, I think they're asking me to draw a spiral and then accordion fold along that spiral. Alright, let's give that a try. As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. I don't think I can accordion fold that much with this. I'm going to try this again, use a different color. Let's see if starting in the center is easier. That looks much better than that's as far as I'm going to be able to get. I've never tried something like this. And that's not going to work either. I don't think this is going to be doable either. Oh, that's not going to work. How many lines can I put on this shirt? It's a much smaller one. Nope. That's as far as I can get. I've got this little tuft up here. I don't think that's possible. I could be wrong. Let's do this instead. At this point, I'm actually 15 minutes into trying this, so just throwing that out there. What color is not on here? Green. All right. So from here, go there and there. Let's do that. I know that's not what I said I was going to do, but I don't see what I said I was going to do as being possible. Small rubber band real quick. Not making too much of a mess of all that. Alright, we're going to put that right there. Alright. We're going to measure off. See how far we can go with this. Inch and a half maybe. Alright, let me see if I can fix some of this. And I'm debating this center mark, and I think I'm going to, or not, maybe. Yes? I don't know. Do I just, I'm going to do the center line. All right. So for these, so I'm not scratching this. I'm just going to do it like that. Absolutely nothing like what the person asked for. Off to die. Alright, for this I will be using maroon, black cherry, power berry, cerulean blue, those will all be used as powders, and then fuchsia will be made up as a liquid to pour in the base, and these are all from Dharma. So let's go ahead and put the little bit of powder dye on this that needs to be. Alright, we're going to let that melt through. Probably have to apply it a second time, and then we'll go from there. Alright, it's melted through. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit more ice just on this side because it wasn't melted through. Let that sit and go through, and then we'll pour the liquid. Alright, that's melted through. I'll make a little spot here and pour in the liquid. Alrighty, let that sit probably another 18 hours and we'll do the wash out. These are always so much fun to do without making a giant mess everywhere. Let's see if I can do this in one. Alright, let's wash this out. Alright, off to be washed. Here are the results. I don't even know what to say. The entire thing has been go with a challenge. It did end up looking like a question mark, which is fitting for this one. I don't know what to say. This along here, the blue that came out, I don't like that. This weird splits into green. I don't really have anything to say about this other than what I've already said. I'm just laughing because this entire shirt has just, it's one of those. I don't know if this video is ever actually going to be published, see the light of day, or whatever phrasing. Actually, let's ask Bob Ross what he would say.
Let's put a few little highlights in here, just to make them little rascals just sparkle in the sun.
Well, I would argue some of these are little highlights in here. I'm not sure if the shirt's going to sparkle in the sun. And yeah, I'm still laughing about it. So what are your thoughts and comments? Put them down below. And as always, thanks for watching.